Hey there! Welcome to the Elegant Chalice project. Today, we're going to create a beautiful chalice out of clay, something elegant and fun to make. Gather your materials from the ARTIFY Pottery Home Kit, get comfy, and let's dive in. Start by kneading your clay until it's nice and soft. Take your time and enjoy the process. Shape it into an egg-like form, which will be the start of our chalice. Next, press your thumb into the center of the clay to create a hollow space. Gently rotate and use your fingers to shape the sides evenly, just like making a small pot. Keep rotating as you shape. Let it flow naturally. Smooth out the edges until they're rounded and even. Take your time here to give the chalice that elegant, finished look. Grab another piece of clay to make the base of your chalice. Mold it with your hands to form the foot of the chalice. Relax and enjoy shaping it. Flatten the top of the base with a carving knife so it's ready for attachment. A helpful tip: roughen the surface with a metal brush and dampen it a bit. This will make the bond stronger. To attach the base to the cup, roll a thin strip of clay to connect the two pieces. Carefully press it into the joint, filling any gaps to make it secure. Use a sculpting tool to smooth the joint to ensure it's stable and looks great. Smooth out all the edges and joints with a sponge to refine the shape. Adjust the form until you're happy with how it looks. It's all about making it yours. You can even carve away any extra clay from the base for that extra elegant touch. Want to add a little extra flair? Let's make a cute lemon slice. Roll a small piece of clay into a flat disc and cut out a circle. Carve lines into the disc to create lemon segments for a simple but fun detail. Paint the lemon slice, start from the edges, and blend toward the center. Attach the lemon slice to the rim of your chalice for a playful touch. Let your chalice dry completely in a cool, shaded spot for 3 to 5 days. Once it's dry, use the sanding sponge to smooth out any rough spots. Now, paint your chalice with whatever colors inspire you. This is where your creativity really shines. Your elegant chalice is now complete, ready to brighten up any space. Thanks so much for joining us in making the Elegant Chalice. We'd love to see your creations. Share them with us using #ArtifyPottery. Happy crafting!